Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 GMC Terrain SLT all-wheel drive, stock number Z7022XX. Only 55,000 miles. This Terrain comes to us with a clean auto check history report, ashen gray metallic in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, hitch and wiring, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable mat for easy cleaning. Additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, moonroof, gauges, again only 55,000 miles, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. This Terrain has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, a large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect to the Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7022XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.